do in the back of the truck. She did not have to do that. What's up, YouTube? We back with another bang today. We gotta go pick up a bumper. Do you know where we're going?
No.
We gotta go pick up a bumper all the way in Katy right quick, and then we gotta go drop it off at the paint place. And that's all in like the same area. So if y'all need any work done, anything, hit me up on Instagram. Y'all know the IG. What's the IG?
I don't know, but website coming soon.
Who making the website?
It's a group effort.
But we're on the way right now. We gotta go. We got like 40 minutes to drive, so I can't really vlog. Maybe. Almost there. We're 4 minutes away.
That wasn't 40 minutes.
It was like 40 minutes.
Was it?
40 minutes from my crib.
Oh.
This the same day after. Nah, it's the next day after we hoop. I'm sore. You sore?
Real niggas don't get sore.
You're not a nigga.
I'm black. This nigga.
Oh, my thighs is sore. I think I need to go to the mall and go in the massage chair. Alright, y'all, so we just got here. I'm finna go in there and get this bumper real quick. I'll record a little bit in there. I'm tired. This is what we're here for. This bumper right there. We finna take this bumper and we gotta go drop it off to a place called the Coding Designs. And we're gonna get it painted red. And it got a diffuser on it already, so. This is for the other 392. Y'all saw in the other video. Yeah, it got stars, so I'm gonna get my boy right, no cap. But I don't know where they at, bro. They need to be here. I gotta get some.
Yeah, 650. You
All right.
no pay, bro.
Card.
What color is your charger?
It's a red.
Yeah, it's red.
So we got the bumper now. Yeah, it just came out. So now we finna go bring it to the paint shop, man. We finna get this thing painted to the red to match bro whip. And it came with a diffuser, so y'all see it, man. We do everything for the clients, bro. Y'all stay tuned. We go to Buc-ee's right quick, and then we gotta go to the paint shop to drop the bumper off. The bumper in the back. I couldn't even see it though. But
It didn't fit in the back seat.
nah, it wasn't gonna fit. But I strapped it down. I had to strap in the back. Cause I'm very prepared. Like I am always. Buc-ee's. She always walking in without me. Slow down. But yeah, y'all, we at Buc-ee's right now. We finna go get some eats real quick. Hold on. They got other food. She wanted a chicken wrap, bro. Beast burrito.
Come to the Buc-ee's and get water.
You go anywhere and get a water. Water is good for you. My legs so sore, I think they're gonna give out.
Give out is crazy.
Now we're just getting snacks.
Oh,
Man,
failure. Fuck Buc-ee's.
we calling him. Do you think that's him right there? What you doing?
That's ugly.
That car? Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah, we just pulled up.
it's inside the blue building.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Alright, now we're in the right place.
Is
You like
that
that
car
car?
white or is it like gray?
It's a gray. You like that car?
I like the color. I don't really like the car.
We made it to the code in place, y'all. I'm gonna bring this bumper in there. Let's see what they can do, man. Oh man. Damn. What is that sound? See it. Last time y'all seeing it white though. Gotta take pics for the gram. If y'all not following the Instagram, man, go tap in on the Instagram. C2B Detailing. Right there. Go ahead and go follow. But I'm gonna bring this in right quick. I can't really record because I gotta carry it in. It's type heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna get y'all when I get back in there.
What's up?
What's up? Appreciate it.
No problem.
And you said by Friday, right?
Yeah.
Friday. Okay, bet. Appreciate y'all.
You got it, boss. Yeah, that's
We just picked up the bumper and just dropped it off. He said it should be ready Friday. Then we're gonna make a video of us installing the bumper. Yeah. Where we at?
Golden Corral.
Golden Corral. I wish everybody would take me to this Golden Corral. Veggie pizza.
That's disgusting. Oh my god, my hips hurt.
Yeah, cause you're not a real hooper. Oh, I need a salt bath. Oh, fuck. Camera on 2%. It might die soon, but I'm pick y'all up when we get our food. Can see if this is good. I think it's gonna be good. She has low hopes. She gonna like it, but the battery's gonna die. So yeah, we gonna catch y'all back in the car. Ew. Oh. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. We back. Tell them boys we back.
Yo.
He said yo. But we back at the code in place. We're here to pick up the bumper right now. I started the vlog a little late. I'm here to pick up the bumper. It's gonna be my first time seeing it. I ain't getting no pictures, no nothing. What do you think? You think it's gonna be trash?
Hope not.
Nah, it's not gonna be trash. Y'all go check them out on Instagram. Psych, no free promo. But we here right now. I forgot my card, and I was supposed to have my card, but it's good though, cause I have my other card. The charger bumper?
White bumper.
Yeah, it was white to red. Look at my line. She doing the back of the truck. She did not have to do that at all. Look, came out nice.
So you just put the diffuser over it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Appreciate y'all, man.
No problem.
Oh yeah.
Let's go from the inside.
Oh yeah. Now we all good to go. We got the diffuser in the back. Everything's good. Everything wrapped up too. Hopefully it don't come off. But we just picked up the bumper. Quick little. Real quick.
Did you pick that color?
Nah, it's to match his car. Alright, man. So we just got the bumper inside the back. We just pulled off right down there where the coating place was, but I just had to wrap everything up so it don't get scratched up. But now we good. It's tied down real tight. I'm gonna bring this diffuser inside the whip, but yeah, that's it with this. Bro should be coming at like 5 or 6. What is this? At like 5 or 6. Everything. Hopefully it don't fly away. I hope it don't fly away. If it fly away, that's not my fault. Alright, so right now we are sitting in Houston traffic. If y'all know Houston, it's always
Houston?
If y'all know Houston, there's always some traffic. There's always some traffic.
Yo, look at the Ferris wheel. How do I zoom in? Hey.
Look at the skyline now. While you sit in traffic, you can look at the beautiful skyline.
I wish I had a man take me to the aquarium.
2 hours later.
We at the shop now. No. Bro is on his way. Low key kind of stressing, cause I just want it to be perfect. I'm a perfectionist, y'all. I think that's the problem. It ain't no problem. That's not a problem at all. That's a great problem. But I'm low key going in here with no idea on how it's gonna turn out. No, I'm not. YouTube University.
It's gonna be great.
I'm gonna be what?
Hmm?
I'm gonna be what?
Great.
Great. I'm finna do it though, bro. I got full faith. I'm gonna just do it. Know what I know. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to record though. I'm probably not even gonna record till I finish and get it on, cause I'm trying to get him out as fast as I can, cause he got somewhere to be. It's not really my fault, but I like to be courteous of people's time. So I'm gonna just whoop, 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 and y'all gonna see the finished product. So we put the vents in, the diffuser's on. Now we're just waiting for him to pull up. You cold? No. I'm ready to put it on. I need to find my 10 and my 7. And I need my panel popper. The coating place did a great job. Look at the paint. It looks so good that the other car.
Put your foot up here.
No.
Come here. Come here.
Y'all see that, man? It was quick, bro. I wasn't even able to record for it. It's the old bumper. It's the SRT bumper. I just finished that charger. It was like 2 hours. My phone died. I didn't even get to take pictures or videos, but I got it on her phone. I'm so dirty, y'all. Do the outro.
School helps you in life.
Love.
Why
We out. Thank y'all for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already.
Or don't.
Hit the post notification bell. You get notified whenever I post. And every time I post, it's gonna be straight bangers. If y'all like us freestyling in this video, y'all go leave a comment and tell them that we're going to the studio.
I don't think anyone likes them freestyling in the video.
We going freestyle.
And if the video gets 15 likes, I'll freestyle in the next video.
She's not freestyling because she can't rap.
But I can. Okay, good night.
You get a watch, it's perfect timing. I can see clear, clarity diamonds, ice on the crew. Everybody shining, can't nobody stop me from grinding.